Hello, David at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we're next to a brand new Harris in fusion red with a black accent. Black rail package. If you notice, the bimini top is black, all the railing is black. This is a Sunliner 230 model, so 23 feet long. That's the length of the pontoons. It also has an extended swim platform, flip-up cleats, beach grass sea woven flooring. No more carpet on the boats nowadays. This is the center walkthrough, so we have some cup holders on the back as you're hanging out, and some speaker, of course a ski bar, and a Mercury 150 4-stroke outboard engine. Now I'm up on the deck of the 230 Sunliner. I'm going to walk through the center walkthrough. Craftsmanship in the Harris is very strong. Just close the door, you can feel it. Seats on either side, cup holders, charge ports, storage underneath every seat. Back here in the corner we have a battery switch, little battery switch, on off. High back, Hilux helm seat, adjustable slide and turn. Up on the dashboard we have a Simrad, JL audio, speakers all around the boat. On the port side we have a change house that collapses and stores away nicely. As I move forward underneath my feet, we're on this boat with the in-floor storage. Amazing amount of storage. Your biggest ski locker I've ever seen. You can almost lay down in there if you wanted to. Not that I would recommend it. The Sunliner is unique with the cross stitching and the armrests. This is the second step up from the bottom of the boat. As I mentioned, every single seat is hinged. This boat was also ordered with a Premier package, so it includes a movable cup holder and acrylic black table. The full mooring cover I have stored over here on this one. Stores away nicely. That is standard on the boat. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I encourage you to come down and take a look. Thank you.